In this video, I'm going to run you through the best student credit cards this year. To be eligible for a student credit card, you must be enrolled in full-time or part-time study and, in most cases, already have an existing student bank account with the provider. For more on how student credit cards work, click this link here to check out our short video covering all of that. A credit card isn't essential for uni, and these types of starter cards tend to be fairly basic with limited rewards. However, a credit card could be a helpful tool to free up some cash flow while you're studying, and could help you start building a positive credit history, if you manage it well, which could then get you access to bigger and better credit products in the future. The HSBC student credit card comes with a maximum credit limit of £500 if eligible, and an interest-free period of 56 days on purchases, so you have a bit more time to pay back a purchase before you start getting charged interest. The account is free to use, but you will have to open a HSBC student current account to be eligible for this card. However, when you sign up for a HSBC student current account and meet all the T's and C's, you'll get £100 cashback and a 1-year subscription to Headspace. So, how's that? AIB don't specify a max credit limit on their card, as this will be determined based on your personal circumstances. This card also comes with 56 days interest-free on purchases and is free to use. A potential downside to this credit card is that you will need an AIB student bank account to be eligible, which doesn't come with any notable rewards or perks other than the interest-free overdraft, which most student bank accounts offer anyway. If you qualify, you could get a maximum credit limit of £1,000 with this student credit card. This card also comes with an interest-free purchase period of 56 days and no account fees. Downsides include the fact that you need a TSB student bank account to get this credit card, and their student current account is pretty uninspiring when it comes to additional rewards and incentives. This and the following card aren't specifically student credit cards. They fall under the category of credit builder credit cards and are designed to help people with no or bad credit history start building or improving their score. Potentially a good option for students with no previous credit history. Another benefit of not being a student credit card is that they don't require you to have a linked student bank account. Those who qualify could get a credit limit of up to £1,200 with this card and up to 48 days interest-free on purchases. With this card, you could also be eligible for interest rate reductions over 3 years if you stay within your credit limit and make all your repayments on time. This card has no account fees, but does come with a higher interest rate, as is typical for credit builder credit cards. If this isn't your first credit card, bear in mind that you won't be able to get the Aqua Advance card if you've held an Aqua, Marbles, Fluid or Opus credit card over the past year. This credit builder card comes with a significant maximum credit limit of £8,000 and 56 days interest-free on purchases. Your credit limit can be reviewed twice a year, so if you make all your repayments on time and in full, you could work up to the full £8,000 over time. This card has no account fees, but does charge a fee for late repayments or going over your agreed credit limit. And again, this credit builder card does come with higher interest rates. To find out more about any of these credit cards, head to finder.com by clicking this link up here. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.